Let's go, darling. एक के बाद चाकू
तो हम यहाँ से रिज्यूम करेंगे और जाके गिरेगी फोरग्राउंड में, हम लोग जाएंगे उसको लॉक कर दें.
ग्रिल केक ना. Let's go.
I met Nuclear after a really long time, and he spoke to me about having written a new album, and I was lucky enough to get a SoundCloud link of the music beforehand. And I was listening to some of the stuff, and there was this one particular song. I really liked what he had composed and the way it sounded. I don't know, it immediately just triggered some ideas in my head. I don't entirely understand Malayalam. My ancestry comes from Kerala. I am from Palakkad. So I understand some words. And I think the stuff that I ended up writing, specifically to do with just the words that I understood in the song. There was a one-liner that I had that I just called him up and told him. And he said, yeah, I'm good with that. Just go ahead. And he's an incredible dude, man. Like, he says exactly the kind of words that you want to hear, you know. He would just say something like, yaar teko jo karna tu kar.
Fika.
एक वहाँ फुटेगा तो नीचे जाएगी ये पहले.
Was sound sync. Now let's begin the fight.
When the idea hit us, I kind of loosely wrote a story down, and most of it is implied, and it is a wordless story because the music is really the story. When you're watching it as a music video, it kind of doubles the experience because there is something that the song is doing to you, and then there is something that the song is coiled around, which is this narrative.
Make it faster.
The picturization was simply to do with finding one single person with a certain skill set. That was finding a girl of a certain age who is trained in the martial arts. The minute I identified the person, I got along with my old friend Vikram, and we kind of worked out a sequence. It was an ambitious task, actually, to figure it all out in the little bit of time that we had. We were shooting in some place that was nondescript, and this kind of like just building mood, taking a large space and taking some windows and a large source of light and then smaller sources of light, and blend that in, blend the temperatures in, use things like high speed, and use things like the smaller form factor of cameras. And one part of it involved a stabilized camera, and another part of it like was literally just the shoulder.
Look at him. Eye contact. Wait. Look at him. Cut.
To be right there in the action, in the middle of it, like I literally was inhaling all of that dust. It helps you really land the stuff that's written in words and sort of watch it play out in a visceral, brutal, unhinged sort of way. It just is like, it's no cap, the knuckles are bare, and the punches are gonna land.
Punch. Yeah.
It was a very, very ambitious task for the day. I was also expecting a lot from the crew, very small crew. The energy around it and the people, and like there were smiles, and everyone was just only too happy to get involved. And everybody really bust their ass on that day. I think that if Nuclear writes more music, I'll make more videos. Why is it Malayalam? I think it's just a creative choice that it is Malayalam. For me, Malayalam is sort of like an ancestral calling, even though I don't understand all the words. I understand bits of it, which I think is invaluable to me, that I understand just bits of it. So it sort of like clues me into things, and then I fill in the gaps. And that makes it like, it's more like an interpretation, really. Possibly wrong, but that doesn't make it bad. It just makes it different.
cut.